Lou Lister with Emerson Process Management. A lot of our customers talk to us about the difficulties they experience in measuring level in high-pressure saturated steam vessels, such as boilers or feed water heaters. A lot of the traditional products used to measure level in these devices are density-based. And as you know, density can actually vary substantially from ambient conditions to full-bore run rates, up to maybe 30%. So that makes these devices hard to use, actually, to measure level. Some of these traditional devices as well are mechanical devices, and they have moving parts. So these devices suffer from things like heavy vibration and also from product buildup. There's a substance called magnetite that can develop in these vessels. What I'm going to introduce you to today is our 5300 guided wave radar. It solves a lot of the traditional problems associated with measuring level in these types of applications. And specifically what I'll cover today, I'll cover 3 features of this device that really do make it ideal for measuring these types of levels. The first feature that we'll cover is called dynamic vapor compensation. And in order to kind of explain that, I'll refer to this, this device here. As you may or may not know, a guided wave device measures level by sending a microwave down to the product surface and then looking for the reflected signal back. We time how long it takes that signal to go down and back. The trouble is that when you have saturated steam in this area above your level, the steam will actually affect the speed of the microwave. So if you don't know how fast your microwave is going, we really can't make a good level measurement on that product. So what we do is we actually put a reflector on this probe at a known distance, so that when we send that microwave out, we know that this is at a certain distance, and then we scale the whole measurement back to that known distance. So we can make an accurate level measurement under all types of varying conditions, from ambient conditions to full bore run rates. The next feature I'd like to point out on the 5300 is its seal construction. You know, as we mentioned, these vessels that we're measuring level in are high pressure and high temperature applications. So safety is paramount when we're looking at putting a device into that environment. What I'm showing you here is the high pressure seal that keeps process here and not here while we make this measurement. This seal is actually a twin seal design, and what you'll see is there's a primary seal here and there's a secondary seal here. If the primary seal fails, the device will malfunction. You won't be getting a measurement from the device. However, steam won't escape because it is being held in by the secondary seal located here. Also, over years of expanding and contracting with changing temperatures, traditional seal designs where you pour some medium into a mold, over the years of expansion and contraction, that bond can break. This seal is actually spring-loaded. We have spring washers here that actually keep a constant force here that allows the device to expand and contract and maintain its integrity over many, many years. The third feature I'd like to point out on the 5300 is its probe design. As we mentioned earlier, there is a tendency for a product called magnetite to build up in these types of measurement applications. And you don't want a device that's going to allow that material to build up and interfere with the measurement. So we've actually designed this device with a single lead probe, and we put that single lead probe in a large diameter bridle. So all kinds of product could be in this space here and it will not interfere with the measurement. We can't say it's immune to buildup, but it's very resistant to product buildup. So we have discussed the challenges inherent in making a level measurement in high pressure saturated steam vessels. And we've discussed how the 5300 allows us to make those kinds of measurements very, very reliably and very well. If you'd like more information about this device, please go to rosemount.com.